This is the zombie ant fungus. It is found in the tropical forest in warm areas like Brazil, Australia, Florida, South Carolina, and Japan. The ant go down to the tropical forest where they are exposed to O. unilaterales spores. The spores attach to their exoskeletons and eventually break through using mechanical pressure and enzymes. It also takes over its nervous system, so it has no control over their actions, but they are fully aware of what's going on. It does this by passing the brain, which is kind of creepy in my opinion. The fungus would kill the ant and grow